Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to resize image here in Canva. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Resizing an image can be done easily here in Canva, whether you are working on a design project or adjusting the dimensions for a specific purpose. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can choose from a business, social media, education, video, marketing, and a lot more. If you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design option here. Now, in my case, I'm going to upload a specific thumbnail that I'm going to work with alongside with our video in the Deep Laughs YouTube channel, right? Now, I'm going to add another photo on the Canva provided pictures. Normally, those that has the Watermark Pro requires Pro subscription, because if you click that, there's going to be a Canva watermark, all right? So I'm going to add more pictures, maybe in this one because it's almost Halloween. All right. Going to add more pictures along the way. Now, for you to be able to resize an image, okay, if you selected a text, the difference between a text and an image is that when you click on the text, you see you can put in the font size or the values here. For example, if you wanted to create a smaller one, like 50, you can do that, right? But however, for photos or images, you can't have any values or like image size. Instead, you can use the drag button here for you to be able to resize. You can maximize, you can max out, you can max in for the pictures here in Canva, all right? So these are some of the easiest way for you to be able to do it. Now, from there, all you're gonna do is place the elements perfectly here. Okay, you're gonna put this image at the back if you want. Send it to backward, right? And delete this photo right here, okay? Basically, that's how you resize image here in Canva. Now, you might want to click on the presentation if you feel that all the elements perfectly blend together. Once you're happy with that, you might want to click on the share button to start downloading that for an MP4 or PNG or JPEG. But if you want to share this to your client, just click on the copy link. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.